Good morning. We're going to start the day off today with a short morning flow. So let's get started. We're going to begin in a comfortable seated position. If this is too much for you, you can put your legs out in front. You can lean up against a wall, whatever feels good. If you need support, I've got a pillow. You can sit on a pillow or a folded blanket just to elevate your hips. You want to be able to get your hips high enough so that your knees are a little bit lower and there's not so much strain on the joints. All right. We're going to start with a nice long spine. Let's close the eyes for a moment. Let's just take a moment to scan the body, beginning at the crown of the head and moving down, noticing any areas that are tight or tense, drawing up through the spine just a little bit more, allowing the shoulders to fall naturally, finding length in the neck and the spine. And now connecting with the breath. Taking a nice deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Do that a few more times. Now adding a little bit of movement, we're going to inhale the chin up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Once more. And exhaling, chin to chest. Inhaling back to center. And slowly exhaling. Let's inhale, shoulders up toward the ears, and exhaling back. 2 more times, inhaling up. Exhaling back. Once more. And exhale. And this time we're just going to reverse our shoulder rolls. So inhaling up. Exhaling forward. 2 more times. Exhaling. Once more. And exhaling, just allowing the shoulders to drop, lengthen through the spine. And let's inhale, arms up, palms together if accessible. Otherwise, you can just continue to reach up through the fingertips. And let's exhale, hands to heart. Do that 2 more times. Inhaling up, reaching up, and exhaling. Hands to heart. Once more. Inhaling up, exhaling, hands to heart. Now we're going to interlace the fingers, and you're going to press the palms forward. Lengthen through the arms. Let's roll the shoulders back and down. And then pressing through the palms, you're inhaling up. And releasing. And now we're going to do a nice little stretch for the side. So walk the right hand out and then reach over. Lengthen through the left side as you reach through the fingertips. Continue to breathe. And coming back to center, walking the opposite hand out, reaching over, lengthen up and over, getting a nice stretch through the right side. Coming back to center, we're going to take a nice twist. So you're going to inhale the arms up and turn to the right, lower the hands. You're going to inhale, lengthen, exhale, slight twist. Just hold here for a few inhales. You can look over your shoulder for a deeper twist. And coming back to center, inhaling arms up, reaching up through the fingertips, turning to the opposite side, lowering the hands, and inhale, lengthen, exhale, slight twist. You want to look over the shoulder. Stay connected with the breath. And coming back to center, we're going to come onto hands and knees. Now, if you need some extra padding under your knees, you can get a blanket, bring some padding under the knees. We're just going to be here for a few inhales, but just in case you need that. Make sure that your hands are in line with your shoulders. If you have broad shoulders, you can bring your hands out to the side a little bit more. Knees are right below the hips. Tops of the feet on the mat, or you can curl the toes, whatever feels good. We're going to do a couple of cat-cows here. So inhale, belly down, chest forward, chin and pelvis up. Exhale, round the back, tuck everything in. Inhaling, cow, belly down. Exhale, cat, round the back. Just do this for a few inhales. Getting a nice stretch through the belly and the back. Just following the breath, letting your breath be your guide. And coming back to a neutral spine, we're just going to do a nice little curve with our spine. So you're going to bring your left hip towards your shoulder and look over to your left hip, kind of making a comma with the body. Coming back to center. And now bringing that opposite hip toward the shoulder and looking back over to that hip. And back to center. And we're going to end on child's pose. If you're not able to sit back onto your heels, you can take a pillow or a blanket and put it right below the hips. Let's bring the big toes together. You can either have your knees out to the side or together, whatever feels good. And I'm going to bring this pillow forward. You may need that as well. So sitting back onto your heels, you want to be able to come onto the mat, relax the forehead down, but if that is too much for you, you can bring a pillow underneath the forehead. You can even layer the arms and just rest here. Still connecting with the breath. And you can stay here as long as you need to. When you are ready to come up, gently lifting back up. Come back into a nice seated position. Connecting with the breath. Let's just take a nice deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Once more. And exhale. Fluttering the eyes open. And that is our gentle morning practice. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.